Summer has arrived, it's stunning outside, and I've just gotten home and I'm about to make some coffee. While I chill a bit, play some games or listen to some music, while I was gone in the background, this brand new Social Plus tool over here generated me over $2,456 passively and completely for free. Now obviously you don't need any fancy skills to do this. All you need is the guidance from this video, an internet connection and your cell phone or your laptop, and to follow along with me. I suggest save this video if you want to follow along with me while you're busy try this out. And the greatest part about this, Social Plus does all of the hard work for you. It's completely passive and you earn a residual income every single month. This works in the United States, South Africa, India, Brazil, United Kingdom, every single country that you can list on the map. This works. You can sign up and make money with this. If you guys are brand new to the channel and want to get an epic training from me every single day on my YouTube channel over here, documenting my journey on how to make money online, my name is Jay, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach. And don't forget to go down below to the subscribe button and put the notification bell on so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload a video just like this one. This person on the screen over here is the winner of the Drop Servicing University program. All you need to do is I'll leave a pinned comment on the comment down below of my Instagram handle. Send me a DM over there and follow me over there, and I will sort out your giveaway over there. Now, if you want to go and get this Drop Servicing University program yourself, come over to the first link in the description and just type the following over here on this apply coupon page. Just type this, SEPT368, and click on apply. Take a look at this. This code will take over $368 off of this entire 57 video intensive training program at just $29, which is literally my hosting fee just to host this course every single month. So this is literally break even for me. The reason I'm doing this is because drop servicing works for me. I don't need to charge an arm and a leg for this type of program. I make money off of drop servicing. However, this information is extremely valuable. That's why I do feel like I need to charge a small fee for it. It's information that I've acquired over the last 2 years on how to put this kind of business together. So you can come over to the first link in the description, enter this coupon like I showed you over here. You can either check out with direct card or PayPal. It accepts any cards worldwide, and you'll be sent the login details to this program over here. Alright, that's going to lead us to step number 1, is to come over to this website over here. Like I said, socialplus.com, and this is a website where you can boost your rankings on Instagram and YouTube. Now I do want to remind you, we're not going to spend money on this. We're not going to create a channel or an Instagram page where we have to boost our own page. It's got nothing to do with that. This program has a really profitable passive income affiliate program that we can go and use to help others and at the same time make money on that. So here you can see this website specializes in high quality promotions, growth courses, industry leading marketing tools to help you grow faster affordably. They have over a decade of combined experience with ranking content and long-term growth. And over here you can see, if you scroll down further on the page, they've got a couple of questions. If you have questions that want to be answered, such as do you have a free trial, they actually give you $5 free credits, which means you can go and get 20 free followers as a trial, which is a great system they have to hook in leads to this affiliate program to go and give away free followers through your affiliate link. So over here you can see, got a free trial, how fast is delivery speed, 99.9% of the orders will be processed straight after, so you will get your followers and your YouTube engagement within the next 5 minutes. Are their cheapest options, and they do have a complete refund policy. So if you're not happy or your leads are not happy with their service, they do offer a refund in the 30 days guarantee period. Obviously, if you request a refund after those 30 days, you cannot get a refund. But let's just quickly talk about this long term. Social media, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, all of those. In the last couple of years, there's been a massive increase in the amount of people migrating to social media for full-time careers, whether they're doing e-commerce, influencing, social media marketing, SMMA agencies, affiliate marketing, Instagram pages, you know it. So many people are migrating to this era to build a lifestyle for themselves and to build a life. So this is why this is now the right time to start a business like this and help those people get the followers engagement that they are looking for, and start your own affiliate business with this tool to make money yourself. So all you need to do is just scroll down all the way to the bottom of this page. You'll see over here there's an option under the Social Plus heading called Affiliate Program. Click on this and it will take you to the affiliate page over here, and just like it says, you can earn money with Social Plus. There's no limit to your earnings, so you can join the success as this in. So as I just mentioned to you, this industry is becoming a huge leader in the economy. So you can join in on this industry leader, bringing results for your referrals and readers and yourself, and they offer up to 50% commissions for life. So if you refer someone, you earn commissions from them for life. and their platform can help you maximize your earnings through high conversion rates, high quality services that keep your referrals satisfied and keep them coming back for more. Just as an extra bonus for you guys, if you want to get tons of growth courses for yourself, whether you've got your own YouTube channel or Instagram page, you can actually come over to Social Plus on this affiliate page, and if you scroll down to Why Social Plus, they have over 10 or 15 growth courses. All you do is click over here on growth courses, and you can actually get started straight away here. Take some courses on how to grow your own social media pages, but that obviously is not what we're going to be talking about in today's video. Today's video, we're going to be using their affiliate program. So over here, you can completely track your progress as well. They pay out pretty much within 12, so I read here, 12 to 24 hours straight to your bank account or PayPal, depending on what you choose. They also pay via Payoneer and wire transfer, which is direct to bank. Just to quickly show you before we continue, if I copy socialplus.net and paste this in Google and just search up an easy rating, and over here you can see on Trustpilot, this website has a rating of 4.0 stars. So I don't usually like to promote anything that has less than 3 stars. With any kind of affiliate program, you're going to have those customers who had a bad experience or that didn't work for them, and they will leave a bad review. But as long as the majority of the people are happy with the rating, and this is just to show you this is getting stars, 5 stars, 3 stars, 5 stars, 4 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars. So tons of people are rating this website pretty well. This is from their own experiences, so there's nothing wrong or nothing shady about this website. Step number 3 is to scroll down all the way to the bottom of this affiliate page and click on sign up for free over here on the time to get serious section, and it will take you to the sign up page over here. All you need to do is enter your email, password, repeat that, and click on create account. It will send a verification email to your email address. From there, click that and you'll sign into your dashboard. So over here you can see where I've landed on my dashboard, my current earnings over here with $2,456 from the affiliate program so far. And the best part is this is going to be reoccurring commissions over the next few months and the next few years. Over here, if you click on the affiliates tab, you'll see over here on your brand new account, it will look like this. You need to join up on the affiliate program. Over here, just enter what I'm about to tell you. They're going to ask you 3 main questions. Your traffic sources, so you can put Reddit, for example, YouTube, social media pages, and paid ads. You can enter that as is. Primary audience, you can say worldwide. Which of our services will you promote? Instagram and YouTube services. The reason why you want to say as many traffic sources as possible, if this affiliate program sees that you're wanting to spend paid ads on them and run all of their ads on these traffic sources over here, that means their odds of approving you is very high because, well, they're obviously looking for ways to grow their business. So it's a win-win. You get approved and make money off their affiliate program, and they also get more business. But we're not going to be spending any ads on this. Like I said, don't worry, we're not going to take any money out of our own pocket. This is all completely for free. And step number 4 is to go and create a landing page like this. Now, don't stress, I'm actually going to give you this exact landing page that I designed over here. All you need to do is just leave a like on this video, make sure you subscribe with the red notification bell on, comment down below that you've done so, and I'll reply with the link to this page over here where you can actually go and edit and save it to your own Builderall account. You do need a tool in order to create and launch this landing page called builderall.com. I'll leave another link in the description if you want to go sign up to that. It is a 14-day free trial completely for free, plus you get over 1,200 bonuses. So you need to click on the first link in the description to activate your Builderall account, and the link that I'm going to reply to your comment with this page over here to go and get this landing page. And this button over here, you'll also just need to connect to your affiliate link. So this button over here is connected to my affiliate link, which will then take your leads to the page over here where they can get their free 20 follower trial over here on the checkout on the Instagram followers page over here where they can get free 20 followers. So this is important because a lot of platforms these days ban affiliate links. That's where we can work our way around that and design a bridge page like this. And the 4th step is come over to reddit.com and just search Instagram growth on the search bar. And over here you will see, if you click on see more communities and people, tons of communities and subreddits related to Instagram growth. You want to open up as many of these as possible in a new tab like this over here, and you want to post the following scripts on each of these groups. Hey, I just found this website that helps with social media growth, Instagram followers, YouTube likes, likes, and I have a 20 follower free trial to test this out for free. No strings attached. You can sign up and get your 20 follower free trial whenever you want. Just comment if you're interested. Now, why you want to say this is without just pasting your link yet is because this shows that you're a real person. You're not just spamming links everywhere. And secondly, you're getting people to engage with your post. Like I mentioned in yesterday's video, when you post on communities and you get engagement such as likes, comments, or followers on your page off of that post stays at the top, as the algorithms are designed to keep the most engaging posts at the top of pages and groups. So that's why it's super important to get the people to engage with you. And then all you want to do is, if you want this as well, you can pause the screen and just type this out as is over here, is go and post this on the Instagram Reddit page, social media, and Instagram marketing over here. And over here, you will see tons of other groups on Reddit as well. You can go do this on Instagram, Facebook groups as well, and just get your link out there. And then what you want to do is when people comment over here, according to your instructions, you want to go and paste the link to this bridge page that you've copied over here. So in this case, I'm just going to paste this, and you reply to the comments that you get on this post. So you're not going to paste this in the script, but when people comment as you've instructed, you're going to reply with your link and say, hey there, here is the website, and you paste your link. And that is a great way to get a lot of organic traffic to this page, which not only takes them through your affiliate link, but as you can see over here where they need to enter their email and first name, you're saving them to an email subscriber list where you can then promote them with more coupons and get more sales on Social Plus through your affiliate link over here and get even more commissions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a playlist over here to help you out with more strategies to go and promote your landing page like this over here. So these videos will show you not only with Reddit, but with other paid free traffic strategies as well. There's over about 300 videos in this playlist over here that I've compiled over the last 2 years on my YouTube channel. So there is tons of information and no excuse to not succeed at this. This playlist will really help you out and get results for you. So I really suggest click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there when you're ready.